Alright, so as I stated in the lecture about the rules of logarithms, we're going to do a practice problem to demonstrate this. This was actually a problem submitted by one of the students of freeacademy.com that I'm going to solve for you. It states you have two functions, g of x and f of x, g of x equaling log base 2 of x plus 4, and f of x equaling 1 minus log base 2 of 1 minus 2x, and you need to find the 2 points a and b where the functions are equal to each other. So naturally, you just set the two equal to each other and solve algebraically, and that will give us a chance to use the rules that we had, or at least one. Starting out, this obviously moves to that side. So I'll rewrite log base 2 of x plus 4 plus log base 2 of 1 minus 2x all equals 1. You remember from our rule 1, when you add two logarithms, you can combine the log, assume it has the same base, and you multiply the internal functions there. Put that in brackets. X plus 4 times negative 2x plus 1. You can see that these two are the same thing. I just rearranged it so that I can FOIL it easier. This all equals 1. Now we need to cancel out our logarithm, and to do this, I always used to have trouble throughout high school in remembering how to do this. What finally worked for me is the swing method. You take the base of the log and you swing it to the other side, and it becomes the base, and the equal swings up to the exponent, and then this remains where it is. That's how I remember it. I won't get offended if you don't use it. So that will cancel this out, and this will equal 2 to the 1, which equals 2. Naturally. So now we got to FOIL this out. X times minus 2x, this equals negative 2x squared minus 8x plus 1x plus 4 equals 2. Shoot that up to the corner where I have some room. And this is negative 2x squared minus 7x plus 2 equals 0. It's after I combine all the terms. I very much doubt that this is going to factor easily, so we're going to use the quadratic formula for this. And before we do this, I'm going to take out the negative just to make it a little easier. Plus 7x minus 2. This, of course, see, we divide out negative 1. This doesn't change what our answer is going to be at all, but it'll make it a little bit easier to add into the formula. And this will be, so negative b plus square root over 2a and negative b minus square root over 2a. This is 2ac, which will enter into my calculator. B squared is 49 minus 4ac. This is negative 4 times negative 4 is 16. That will conveniently equal 65, actually. And now plug this all into my calculator, which I actually did before I did this lecture. This equals about 0.27, and this one equals about negative 3.77. And if you want to double check this answer, you can take these different x's and you can plug them back into the original equation and check it out, but I can assure you that it works. We hope you enjoyed this lecture from freeacademy.com.